How to use navigation on Apple Watch Ultra only way. Most people get this wrong by assuming the Apple Watch Ultra can navigate independently without pairing it to an iPhone or Maps app. The surprising truth is that proper setup and gestures make navigation seamless. Start by opening the Maps app on your paired iPhone. Enter your destination and select directions. On your Apple Watch Ultra, open the Maps app. It will automatically sync the route. You won't believe how intuitive the turn-by-turn haptic feedback is once set up correctly. During navigation, the watch vibrates gently for turns and shows a simplified map on the screen. You can swipe to zoom or change views, and rotate the digital crown for detailed route adjustments. For hiking or outdoor activities, enable the Compass app and GPS tracking. The Ultra model's advanced sensors provide elevation, incline, and heading info. Combine this with maps for accurate trail navigation. In conclusion, using navigation on Apple Watch Ultra requires pairing with the iPhone, sensing your route, and utilizing haptic feedback. Follow these steps, and you never get lost during walks, drives, or hikes.